Hi, in front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 10.4 and today I would like to show you how you can open an app in pop-up view on this tablet. First of all, select an app, like browser, then click home button and tap on the square one. Now you need to click on this icon at the top right corner of your app, and as you can see, now I can use my app in this window over here. If you want to change placement of it, hold this line and drag your window wherever you want to. When you're done, you can either close this window completely by tapping at the top right corner, or use your app still in the normal mode by tapping on the left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!